In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Godaddy website private in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're building a site that's not ready for the public eye or need a private portal for a select audience, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First off, you'll need to sign into your Godaddy account. To do this, look for the sign in button typically located at the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. Once you've found it, give it a click. Next up, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password in the respective fields. Make sure you enter the details correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. It's easy to mistype, especially if you're in a rush, so take your time. After typing in your details, you're ready to click on the sign in button. This should take you directly to your Godaddy account dashboard, where you'll find multiple options and settings. Now let's navigate to your website. Look for options related to your website or directly for a website button. This will take you to a section where you can manage your existing website or create a new one. Once you're in the website section, it's time to make some edits. Look for an edit website or similar option which will bring you into the website editor mode. This is where the real fun begins. In the website editor, we need to locate the website tab. It might take a moment to find, but it's usually labeled clearly and may be accompanied by a gear icon or similar symbol. Clicking on this tab will reveal more specific settings related to your website. After entering the website tab, it's time to dive a bit deeper into the settings. Find and click on the gear icon situated near the pages of your website. This icon is often found towards the corner of the page or section listings. Clicking on this will open a new level of settings or options related to individual pages on your site. Next, you should see an option labeled Page Settings, or something along those lines. Click on this to access the settings specific to the page you wish to make private. Within the page settings, you're looking for a toggle, switch, or option labeled Private Page. When you find it, go ahead and turn it on. Enabling this setting will make the chosen page inaccessible to the general public, meaning only selected users or those with specific links can view the content. For a comprehensive privacy approach, remember, you'll need to repeat this process for each page on your site you want to keep private. It might seem a bit repetitive, but ensuring every nook and cranny is hidden away from prying eyes is key to a fully private site. There you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on making your Godaddy website private. Just a couple of parting tips to make your experience smoother. Always double check which page you're making private to avoid any accidental lockouts. And remember to save your changes. Godaddy's interfaces and options might update or change, so keep an eye out for any slight differences in terminologies or icon designs. Making your website private doesn't have to be a daunting task. With this guide, you're well on your way to creating that exclusive space for your content. Remember, the privacy of your site is crucial, especially in the early stages of creation or when dealing with sensitive information. Taking these steps ensures that your content stays just where you want it, under wraps until you're ready to reveal it. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned web designer, I hope you found these instructions helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to empower your online endeavors. Happy designing,